What is wrong with you? Go! Stop doing that. That dog has like 30 pounds on you. What's up, Herman? Sit down, both of you. Sit. Sit down. Look at you. You're an animal. I guess we all are. Anyway, we have a sunny snow day. Only 1 foot of snow. 4 inches this morning. Cope, what is wrong with you? What are you, Cujo? Oh my God. He never quits. Come on, let's go. I'm trying to get down to the pines, but I gotta use snowshoes because it's just too deep. I have to stick to the tractor tracks. He tries to go through the thick snow to get to where the rabbit poop is. And by the way, we have not gotten out of the 20s today. Of course, my phone's gonna die. But we're getting, I guess this is lake effect. It's like 1 minute it's snowy, and then the next minute we have blizzard-like conditions. I gotta warm my hands up, but interesting weather for sure. Let's go take Herman home. Cope, where's he at? Where's Cope at?